Draw na, draw. Can do it.
Hi guys!
Draw. Anong hi guys? Go, draw. Draw. Go, draw. Go, draw na. Draw na, draw. Can do it. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Draw. Draw na, draw.
Eraser pencils lang, we forgot.
Go. Raven.
Ako si Ate Jade.
Ang pangalan pa ni ate.
Ano pangalan ni
Max.
Eraser pencils, if you don't.
Go, continue.
Ate Jasmine, kamusta kayo dyan? Okay? Tapos ka na, hindi pa.
Ulit mo. Not yet done.
Take your time, huwag tayo magmamadali.
Go. Go, continue. Continue. Go. Not yet done, di ba?
Meron tayong mama dito, nag-i-enjoy yun. Ginagawa ng parang flower. Kaso lang pinalawin.
Go.
Hindi ko lang tuloy yung daya. Yun ang challenge dito. Kasi yung challenge, di ba? Gusto nyo mapaganda yung gawa nyo eh. Kaya ginagawa nyo, paakasin yung pencil, patakayan. So, ang challenge dito, talagang kung ano yung lumabas, lalabas. At yun ang maganda.
Go. Happy. Wow, very good job. Wow, very good. Very good. Good job. Oh, you need to copy. Oh, draw na. Oh, seriously. Oh, go, draw. Go. Finish. Very good. Finish. Very good. Finish it. Go, finish. Look. Very good. That's good. Okay, go. Oval. Go, oval. Kahit ka na yan. Ay, sleepy? Go, draw oval. Go. Oval. Oh, okay. Draw na. Draw. Oh, sige na, go. Line. Draw line. Sige na, go. Go. Ito, copy, oh. Ay, naku. Yan, very good. One more. Finish mo, ha. Very good. Very good. Okay, that's good. Okay. Finish that one. Again, here. do this all. Look, oh. Max, look. Circle or oval. Oh, more. Go more. More. Para papanoorin natin mamaya yung video mo. Go more. Go. Max, look. Look. Circle. Go. Go. Draw again. Draw again. Draw. Circle naman. Circle. Circle. Very good circle. Wow. More. More circle. More. Very good. Wow. Very good. Wow. That's good. Okay. Okay, you're done. Here, lines. Straight line. Go. Finish. Finish the line. Finish. No. Here. Finish the line. Dito, oh. Max, auto ko. Oh, see? Finish line. Go line. Finish. Very good. Yay! Again, other side. Curve line. Do this, oh. Max, oh. Look, oh. Yeah! Look. School goals. Okay? Go. Copy. Go. Very good. Finish, ah. You need to finish. Very good. Yay, good job. Again, another side. Wait. Other side naman. Circle again. Circle. Go, circle. Circle. Finish, circle. Go. Max, look, go. Circle. Go, finish. More. Very good. Wow, good job, circle. Yay. Wow. Very good. More circle, more. Here, other side. Good job. Look at this. Pinapanood niya nga ako kanina. Line. Okay, go. Again, finish. Okay, good job. Very good. Go. Go. Here. Never stop. Wow, very good. Ang galing. Circle. Very good. Very good. Wow. What? Go, draw line.
Mommy and kid.
Go na.
Ayaw niya. Paano siya? Napupunta siya. Mahaway naman.
Yay! Oh, again.
Pakita natin. Oh.
Not yet. May
Mami
meron.
yung ninyo. Janet.
Oh, go.
Mami Janet. Dun sa
Circle.
Anong
Circle.
ano?
Go, circle. Go, circle, circle. More circle. Oh. Go, go. Go. Balloon. Kanin.
Hindi dapat maging perfect. Pero ang ganda ng pinag-isa.
Draw, draw.
Si
Draw na. More. Stars.
Hi, Dean.
Go, circle.
Si Dean.
Circle. Go, circle.
Sino niya pa?
Circle again. Oh, yellow naman, yellow. Yellow ngayon. Finish yellow. Go, finish more. Go, finish. Finish, more. More yellow, go. Good. Finish. More pop. Ito pa. Saka to. Go, finish.